Guys, welcome to my video guys. And I'm playing again with my friend Sunster. So, just luck to me. Oh, who is this? Who is this, bro? I'm like looking little bit of fat, but you're thick, man. You're thick. Okay, I guess we're just to get a build.
Hello,
So,
I'm playing Buildable
just
Treasure
to be
and my
pop,
first ever video.
pop, pop. Oh no, oh no. Yo,
Hope you enjoyed this video.
boop. Yeah, I'm a little bit pro of this, man. I'm so pro. I'm a pro, bro. I'm so pro. Pro. I'm not poor, bro. I'm a poor. I'm a pro.
You got to work on your pronunciation, man.
I don't have more. I don't have. I'm gonna put my seat here. Bro, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I'm gonna put here. Done. I put the bra here. Uh, oh, get away there.
Alright.
We're gonna.
Yo, that's my seat. Get off.
No. Ay,
No.
wait. Kita, we're gonna.
Get off
Okay.
my seat.
Okay, wait. Just wait,
You
bro.
have your own. Make yours. Bro.
I'm gonna be a passenger now. Wait. Launch the group. No.
Yo, get your own. Get your own seat, man.
I forgot,
We
bro.
only have one engine.
I forgot. I forgot the. Oh, stop.